But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear.
Yeah guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see me a few whisper cause Kitty and Tanis in the other room, and me that try prank them to put the starfish by my front so it can smell it and trick them. But anyways, it kind of feels still. So when not hear nothing, I say me after they whisper. When we smell the starfish, it smell. I put it on my front, it not smell no way. Man, why people them use make them pum smell fish in and them a prank? I don't get it. But I never buy one sardine and try this over. I don't know. But alright. Hey, you know who we can do this to next? Oh, sorry, lad God. Yeah guys, so please to watch this video. Like, share, comment. And tell me how you feel about a prank, yeah. Alright. Master, your head no look good at all. Come here, Kitty, come here. Kitty, where is God?
Something an ex-girlfriend was better at than your wife. Sex.
Oh, you stay so far from me.
Yeah, that's a going on my head, so you're gonna have to push it.
Me not going there. I idiot this. Me not put on your head, sister. Come here, man. Come be with me and I with this. I smell the head, so.
Have you this gun in the bathroom and you're gonna shit in there? Me not put the shit in my head.
Come ask me a question. Come ask me a
Ask
question.
me, turn up person. I don't like your style.
No, come here.
I don't trust you.
I can't come here and get you. You're afraid to come side of me. What go
I
on?
don't trust you.
What go on make you afraid to come side of me?
I don't like you carry on.
Why?
You know, I deal with me, Chang.
Me?
Yes.
Come down, man. Come here. Come here.
Leave me alone.
Hey, girl. Sit down here, some man.
Left me. Nah, sit down beside you. I don't trust you.
Why?
I don't trust your carrier. I mean, trust your carrier.
I can't stand you. I can't come sit down and like it.
Eh,
What make?
no like your style, man.
So how will we do you now? We can ask doctor and we don't.
I don't like your style.
Yes, baby.
I
What I
don't.
smell?
You go do.
You smell shit?
No, me not trust you. Me not trust you.
Dirty girl, me not do. Don't tell the lie for me.
You's a new tuber. And me no want you put no knitting on my head.
Kitty an idiot.
Don't you put your sister in my head.
Nah, no sense. Nah, nothing.
Where? You think me a clown?
Come here, make ask you a question. Come here and eat that.
You
Sit down
think
now.
me a pop?
Sit down.
You might not pop for me no more. What you want with me? What you want with me?
Why?
This slide. What you want with me, little girl?
Hey, Kitty, eat all this.
That's good. The thing I eat that. You're not come so close to me if you don't want to do something. Honey. Yeah? Come here, honey.
Blood clot.
Come.
Blood clot.
Honey,
Laugh
come
at
on.
them. Kitty, Jack girl. Hey, nothing, girl. Where you go? Kitty, come here.
Me moving out.
Please. Kitty pop. Kitty pop.
I know me poop here.
Kitty pop, Danny. Come here, Kitty. Come here. Come tell me if you smell me, Batty. Come here. No, eat that girl. Come here, the dog. I don't like it. Come here, the pussy. Me tell us. We don't want to tell you.
You tell me you can't cheat me.
Young girl,
you
Kitty,
can't
Kitty.
kill me.
Kill that girl, Kitty.
No way, you must be blood. Nah, come.
Kitty, don't seriously. Come here.
Talk you so brother me.
Brother, we are-
clean. Let me go clean me.
Come here, the drunk girl. Dirty girl. No, don't me pussy clock egg, girl. No take out no money. No can't buy back nothing. You know, put it back.
Me a clean up me. Stop.
Me say if you go put it back.
Cody you kill me people. Oh.
Come and tell her. You smell it? You smell it? You smell it? You don't smell it? It don't work. Did you rub your back?
Yes, man.
Jankro, listen. Where's the kitty?
It did it.
It's the man. Midi wa girl kitty wa udi. Okay. So, we need to tell him say no. You feel my junk girl. I don't like a cat with that, me though. And it's full of cheese, sha.
If
You don't know yaro? And it's full of man.
a joke.